We have now made it to the Laurel Falls parking area. They had like a little parking spot up there, but it was too full, so they have offside parking. So we're gonna go up there and do the hike to the Laurel Falls. This time, Mommy's got Cale. And Mama's with us still.
With my pink.
She's still rocking pink jacket.
Still.
We're picking up litter because it's part of his park ranger guide, and it's just a good thing to do. So, pick up that can there, and that McDonald's cup. Try not to put your hands on where the mouth part is. We found some litter. He was doing that junior park ranger thing, so we found some litter to.
Yeah, hold on.
And no trash can around here.
Let me go get a bag. Can you wait a second?
Yeah.
Because I've got a bag over there.
Yeah, sure.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You might see a salamander up by the falls, but I think it's early because people were looking last week and it's still cold. The bears are out. They're active. We haven't seen any on the trail. We have a mom and 2 cubs and then another one. The 2 cubs are last year's cubs. Okay, so they're, well, we haven't seen them this year. I suspect they should probably be about like that.
And they're still hanging with Mom?
Oh yeah, they'll hang with Mom for another year.
Oh, okay.
About 1.5 years to 2 years.
Okay.
And then when she's ready to mate again,
Then they go on their way.
they're on their own.
We're here at the Laurel Falls Trail. It's 1.3 miles. We went through some of the steeper parts of this trail so far. It looks like on the way back it'll be more downhill. Should be getting close to the waterfall. We can sit back and relax. But it's not that bad of a hike. It's just sometimes harder with little ones. I'm pretty sure we can hear the waterfall now. So we're getting closer. Do you hear it, Cash?
Be quiet.
Let's listen.
Yeah, right here.
Yep.
It's right over there.
It's gorgeous up here. We're just about there. There's people exploring all over. We found where everyone's at. Wow, look at this cat. Stay on this side right now. Where you going, bud? Cash. All right, Cash. Climb back up. Climb back up. So the other part we were just at, you kind of have to go down these rocks here. It's kind of hard, but it's manageable. Ugh. It's manageable. My shoes are a little slick from the waterfall. But Kayla's doing it with Cale there. Kayla, say hi. And Mama's making it.
I'm doing it too.
So don't give up. Whew. So that was Laurel Falls. We're gonna go finish hiking the trail back to the parking lot and find another trail to go find after we eat some lunch. Trails like these where it's a steep fall, we want to make sure and have the kids on the inside, obviously, because there was actually a warning sign. I guess I'm getting too close to it too. So just everybody out there, stay on the inside because you don't want to go tumbling down the mountain. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we're going to show you 2 waterfalls you can see that you don't really have to hike to. You can just hop out of the car, walk a little bit, and there it is. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to stay tuned for more of our travel videos, go ahead and give us a subscribe. Got anything you want to mention to us, leave us a comment. We'd love to chat. We'll see you guys in the next trip.